The Astrohaus Freewrite Smart Typewriter creates a focused writing environment by stripping away internet distractions and extra applications. Its high-contrast electronic ink screen is gentle on the eyes and remains readable in bright sunlight or dim indoor lighting, making long sessions more comfortable. The mechanical keyboard with Kailh Box Brown switches delivers a satisfying tactile feel and sound that makes extended drafting sessions surprisingly enjoyable. Built-in flash storage and wireless synchronization automatically back up your work to the cloud, so drafts are safely preserved and easy to access later on a computer. The device is ready to write within seconds of powering on, encouraging a regular writing habit and helping authors capture ideas the moment they appear. Sturdy construction and a portable form factor make it a reliable, dedicated drafting companion for travel, coffee shop sessions, or daily use at a home desk.